So hello guys, in this video we will be creating HR analytics dashboard using Tableau. So this is the dashboard. Here we can see different charts like bar charts, bubble chart, line chart, tree map chart, and so on, which giving us important insights. So let's move towards the objective of this project. So the objective of this project is to create an HR analytics dashboard that provides insight to employee demographics, termination rate, hiring trends, performance metrics, satisfaction score to improve HR decision making.
Before creating dashboard, let's see the data which we are using for creating dashboard.
So this is the data we have and which is in CSV format. In this data, there is employee name, employee ID, married ID, and marital status, gender ID, and so on. And using this data, we will create a dashboard. So let's start. Open the Tableau desktop. Firstly, we have to load the data. For that, go to data, then click on connect to data, click on text file because the data we have it is in text file or CSV format, that's why click here. Then this is the data we want, so click on here and open. So we can see there is only one sheet available, so we don't have to create any relationships over here. And also the data is clean, so we don't have to do any changes here. So let's start building dashboard. Click here on shift. Firstly, we will create KPIs, and the first KPI is total employee count. For that, I will rename the sheet as total employee and edit this title. Select this, then change Time New Roman, font size as well, bold, and center. Apply. OK. For employee count, take employee ID, put it in this text, then right click on employee ID, click on measure, and count this thing. So this is the total employee count. Then format this, click on text, center, center, and to increase the size, select this, change size as 20, and apply. OK. Okay. Interview. So we will get the total employee count. Let's move towards our second KPI, which is average employee satisfaction score. For that, click here on your worksheet, then rename this sheet as average employee satisfaction score. We needed this title, time Roman, 20, good, apply. Okay. Then for the employee satisfaction, average employee satisfaction, take this field and put it in text. Then right click, go to measure and average. So here we get the average employee satisfaction score as in decimal format. To change it in whole number, click here, go to format, go to numbers, number custom, and 0 decimal places. Okay, so we will get the whole number. Enter view, go to text, to change the font size. Select this, change the font, then size as 20, center, bold, apply, okay. Then alignment as center, vertically center. So this is our second KPI. Then our third KPI is average performance score. Let's start. Change the sheet name as average. average performance score, edit is written, apply. Okay. Then for average performance score, put this performance score ID in text. Then right click on performance score ID, go to measure average. So this is again in decimal format. To change that, go to text. To change that, go to right click format numbers, number custom, and decimal places as 0. Okay. So this is our average performance score. Then entire view, format this, go to text, select this, change and size as 20, center, bold, apply, okay. Then change the alignment, horizontally center, vertically center. Okay. So our fourth KPI is average salary. Go to new worksheet, we name this as average salary of employee. Then edit this title, apply, okay. For the average salary, take this field as salary in text. We will get the sum, but we want average, so that right click here, go to measure, go to average, and we get the average salary of the employees. Then format this. For that, go to text, select this, change size as 20, bold, center, apply, okay. Then alignment as center, vertically center, okay, enter this. So our next KPI is total termination. For that, let's new worksheet, we name this termination. Edit this, okay. So I'm taking this date of termination and put it in the text, right? Firstly, I will tell you why I'm taking date of termination. For the count of termination, go to this data. Here, you can see that employees who are not terminated don't have a termination date, but remaining employees have. So that's why I take count of this. Let's go move towards the our dashboard. Take the count of this nature count. Then format this. Select. Okay. Then interview. Change alignment as vertical center. So the next KPI is termination rate. Let's create new sheet. Rename this as a termination rate. Edit this title. Apply. Okay. To calculate the termination rate, we need two fields, which is total employee and termination count. Divide these both the terms, and we will get the termination rate. So first we are using this field, create calculated field for total employee count. Choose count. As employee ID. Apply. Okay. Then second calculated field, is termination count. Use count, date of termination. Apply. Okay. By using this two calculated field, create third calculated field, which is termination rate. Divide to termination count by employee count. Apply. Okay. Put it this in the text. So this is the termination rate, but it is in decimal format. We want it in percentage. For that, you have to format this. So let's just click here, format numbers and percentage. Okay. So we will get the percentage. Then format this. Okay. So the next we will be designing a bar chart to show number of employees by the age group. So for that, first we want age, but it is not given directly in the table. So first we will create age using calculated field. So let's start. Create calculated field. Rename it as age. Here we are using the DAX function, which is date difference. So date part is year. Then start date is which is given date of birth, DOB, and end date is today. So apply. Okay. We get the age. Before put it in column, first we will be creating bin. For that, click here, create bins. By default, here given in fraction, but we want it in as 3. Okay. So put this age bin in column. First, we have to take new worksheet. Then put this age bin in column and total employee total employee in rows. And then this is the age distribution. Rename this sheet as number of employees by age. So let's move towards the next chart. Here we want year-wise termination rate. For that, we are using higher hiring higher date, which is date of hire. Put it in the column, and then termination rate. Put it in rows. So this is the uh, termination rate as per year. For text, for the labels, we put termination rate in the labels, entire view, but it is in decimal format. We want it in percentage. For that, right click format, convert this number into percentage and decimal 0. Okay. So here we can see that in 2011 there is maximum termination rate, which is 71%. So let's create next chart. Click on new sheet. Rename this as employees by recruitment source. Edit this. So here we are using pie chart. For that, put this recruitment source green color, change it in pie, interview, then put total employee in angle. Then for label, put this total employee in label. This again the recruitment source in label. So here we get pie chart, but we want donut chart. For that, first we have to create calculated field at 0, apply. Okay. Then put this 0 in rows, control once again 0. Then go to this second field, remove all this, change color as white. You can change size also. Go here, change the size, increase or decrease. Then go to this second, 0 and 12 axis. So change the size. So here we can see that the maximum recruitment is from Indeed and then from LinkedIn. Here we can apply filter of year. For that I'm taking date of hire, years. Next, select all. Okay. Then click here and show filter. I'm changing this into single value drop down. So like this, we can see when we change here, all the data change here also. So I'm selecting all. Okay. So next we want a number of employees as per termination reason. So put this termination reason in column, no, not in rows. Then put total employee in columns. So interview and for labor, put the total employee in labels. So we can see that out of total 311 employees, 207 employees are still employed in same company, but others are terminated because of following reasons. So let's create new chart. Here we want employees by citizen description. So put this citizen description in rows and total employee in columns. And interview. We can change this chart as bubble chart. Here we can see that the maximum number of employees are US citizen. We can put total employee label. Edit the name as employees by citizen description. So the next chart uh, is for satisfaction department wise employee satisfaction. So put department in rows, then employment satisfaction in column, change it in dimension, and then discrete entire view, and then put the total employee count and drag here, drag and drop. You can change it in this table, highlight table also. So click here, entire. The next chart is to show employees as per marital status. So put this total employees in column and this marital description rows. Then entire view, put label as total employee, rename it as employees by marital status. So here we can apply filter also. So I am applying gender filter on apply. Okay. Then click here and show filter. We can change it in various format like single value drop down, single value slider. I'm taking this single all. Let's take. So the next next chart is for employment status. Put employment status in rows and total employees in column. You can take it as remap in Tableau with total employee in labels so that we can see here how many number of employees are active. Change, format it as center, center. Okay. So let's start designing dashboard. For that, click here. So change the size, range, automatic. Then if you want dashboard title, click here. So let's rename this dashboard title as HR and HR Analytics dashboard. And change size as 20. Good. Apply. Okay. So you can apply border to go select this, go to layout here, apply border. Okay. You can apply border to the for this style also. So go to layout, border, apply. Okay. So let's start dashboard. First I'm putting all KPIs here. For that I'm taking first KPI as total employee, drag and drop here. So let's change some, put border. Okay, let's start. Let's put second KPI as termination count. So for that, apply border. Third KPI, termination rate. Border, apply border. Then third one is average employees satisfaction score. Apply border. Next is average performance score. Apply border. So the next is average salary. Apply border. Okay. So these are all KPIs. Let's put chart. Right. First, yes. Apply border. So this is the dashboard. Let's to apply this filter to all this chart. Right click here, apply to worksheet or using related data source. So that if I am applying female, it's changing follower. Male, no. Same for this year, apply worksheet to all related data. If I am applying 2006, applying this changing like this. So uh, for chart interaction, go to analysis, sorry, go to dash, go to worksheet, actions, sheet. For dashboard interaction, go to worksheet, actions, add action as filter, select show all menus. Okay, okay. Like this, we can interact with all these charts. So here is our complete dashboard. These are some insights from the dashboard. This file in Tableau Public, save to Tableau Public, sign into Tableau Public. So here you can see the dashboard on Tableau Public.